Welcome to Interweave Smart Solutions. Let's take a look at our latest offering. It's called iOffice. And iOffice provides real-time quote, order, payment, and inventory management within your CRM. Integration with e-commerce solutions like Magento, ACH and credit card payments, applications like Authorize.net, and seamless integration with your financial accounting systems like QuickBooks, the Sage line, Microsoft Dynamics, Oracle, and others. Payments can be applied in a real-time mode, a scheduled mode, a recurring mode, providing you automated order management with your CRM connected with your e-commerce orders, your payment transactions, your financial application transactions, and all updated every 10 seconds. So let's take a look at the first channel here. Here's Interweave Smart Solutions, our e-commerce offering at Magento Go. This is a SaaS hosted version. And let's just take a look. I created a transaction earlier today. And so, for example, order number 111 here, 418, $2.17. The concept of flows, so when we create a solution, it's actually all objects, all fields, all fields, and it's in configuration. And when we go through the configuration process with you, we then generate a management portal. So let's just pop over there. And so, for example, here, this is Magento to Salesforce. Let's log in. And you'll see two types of transaction sets here. You're going to see utility transactions, which are one-offs. These are for testing. And you're going to see scheduled transactions, which are production. And these, you may set the interval timings as you wish. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 1 hour, once a day, all that. So, for example, here, on the utility side, these are one-offs. And here's a management customer to SF user N. So we actually create, when you register Magento, we can automatically create accounts, contacts, etc. over in Salesforce. So those are for testing one-to-one. Over here, these are, for example, management to Magento, customers and orders, accounts and opportunities, users, being set up registration, products, and these you just set whatever you wish. So here, for example, 600,000 milliseconds is 10 minutes, 3,000,006 is 1 hour. Just set it and forget it. Off it goes. So over here, since these are running every 10 minutes, for example, what happens in Salesforce is accounts, contacts, opportunities, products, if you've configured that way, are being set up. So for example, here's the first one. Here's that number 11 here. 418 standard closed one stage. Order amount $2.17. Payments received $2.17. Outstanding payments $2. In this case, 0. Because it's a consummated order coming from your e-commerce solution. So the detail here, let's go down a little bit into that. And I say you can also sort by columns. You can sort by filters on the left. These are updated every 10 seconds. These are Salesforce virtual pages you're looking at. And here's the header information, all that there. You also see Interweave QuickBooks, and the sales receipt number 2 is populated with QB-last modified on the right, 418. And that means the sales receipt in QuickBooks has been generated because we also have flows going between Salesforce and QuickBooks in real time. Here are the products generated from that Magento order. And also transaction. Here's that payment information coming in that the customer either did a PayPal or an Authorize.net. And what's this look like over in QuickBooks? Well, over here on Integration Technologies, here's sales receipt. Here's all the detail, the line items being items underneath a sales receipt, products underneath an opportunity in Salesforce, sales number 2. And what that has done is created, in this case, that's where that number 2 came from. So there's a complete cycle. We've come from Magento e-commerce orders, registration into Salesforce, creation of opportunities and products in a closed one stage within Salesforce. We've applied payments to that in real time. We then created a sales receipt over in QuickBooks in real time. And everything is being updated along the way. You can see here. Here's the payment information. First payment, $2.17. Credit card, sales receipts received, all that. That's the iOffice solution. We have 4 models, depending on the functions and features that you need. This is sales at interweave.biz. And direct dial to sales is 203-274-5226.